Well, I catch it on the video too because I was trying to film you and Zeke, and yeah, I did.
You did good.
It seems like it bounced.
Yeah.
So that's the tree that fell the other day and didn't damage much like we expected. Huh?
It busted his saw on the ground.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but it damaged, damaged some of the stuff he had down here and the roof, some of it, but we really think the whole house will be damaged, or the whole, what you call this, babe? Shade. Yeah, but yeah, that's a big tree. I'll show you there. Ooh.
The shade is the barangay.
Yeah, the shade is barangay. Barangay, that's my husband said. But yeah, that's the tree that fell. It's a big one. I'll stand there so you can see me. Yeah. See? It's big. Very big. And and I'll show you what happened, why this tree fell, because there's part that got, maybe it's old already, disease, it's dead, that's why. But the tree is still green. If you can see it, the leaves are green. There's the tree leaves, and look what happened. Yeah, so it's very scary. And then during that time when this tree fell, we are this way here. We're walking to go back to the house. This is supposed to be the way we usually go back to the house, but then that time we went to the garden, and yeah, we walked that way. There's a path in there. I'll show you. So we're just on the other side while it's falling, and yeah, this is where we are. And then the tree that fell is there. See that? That's the tree that fell. So we're here, this pathway, on the way to the house. And yeah, it's very sunny today. It's not really like very hot, but as you can see, the sky is very blue and hardly no clouds. You can see no clouds at all. And yeah, the garden is ahead of us. There's Zeke. Yikes. Hiya. Hi, baby.